Hi guys, welcome back to Atharv Guruji channel. Today we will learn how we can print dates using Recursive CTE. Guys, please like the video and subscribe to the channel if you like the content. I will add all these script in this video description so you can use that query and do some practical. So first, what will I do here? First, we have to understand the requirement. So, this is 20225. So, we will print date from 1st Jan to 3rd of March, today's date. So, suppose today is 3rd March, but later on, suppose if I am running this query again on 15 March, then it will print the dates from 1st Jan to 15 of March. Okay, so see this how we will use the recursive CT to print the dates. So this is the basic syntax of CT with dates as. So I have to print the date from 1st Jan to today's date. So I just use one date here, cast 20250101 as date, simple as date. Okay, now I just write union all, select date, add. This is the function, ready-made function. So first we have to add the interval and then we have to use the increment value. See this, and after that we have to pass our date. So what will I do here? Simple, see, our interval is dd, date. Okay, how many value we have to increment? One every day. We want to print like 1st Jan, 2nd Jan, 3rd Jan. That's why I just increment value as put as 1. Now what will I do here? I have to use this date, simple, as date from dates from the city. Simple. Where, what will I do here? Where date is less than get date, because I have to uh, get the data till today date. Okay, see this, sorry, date. I just put like this same way, date, so we will not confuse here. Get date, simple. Now you can see the result of this query. See this, 1st Jan, 2nd Jan up to 3rd March. Okay, simple. So today's date is 3rd March. Actually, I am recording this video on 3rd March. That's why today's date is 3rd March. So actually, you have one question here, why I am using here cast. Because if I will not use here cast, then this query will throw an error. You can see this. Because type mismatch. Here I am using date, but here I am using as a character value. So see this. Type does not match between the anchor and the recursive part. So that's why I'm using here the cast. Simple. Now if I'm running again this query, see this output, it is working. And you can say also one more thing why I'm using here this where condition. If I will not put this where condition, then it will become as a infinite loop, because this recursive query will not stop. It will running continuously. So we want to stop this query on some destination. Suppose you want to go from one place to another place, then you have to stop somewhere. If you will not stop, then this will become a problem. So that's why we are using here one condition. If a date will come to today's date, then this query will stop. So recursive CTE, I think you must understand here. We are calling a query recursively. So you see this, we have used here one CTE, and that CTE we are using recursively here in the same query. Okay, simple. So guys, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. I will add this scripts in video description so you can do your own practice with this query. Thank you guys.